Many companies value older employees for their communication skills and reliability. These workers bring essential skills like patience and real-world experience. Plus, many remote jobs don't require advanced tech abilities. Let's break down some of the top remote jobs for those over 50. The first role is a remote customer service representative. This is a significant work-from-home category today. Companies in various sectors are actively hiring remote support agents. This role suits older workers because it values patience and communication. It rewards key skills like professionalism and problem solving. Most companies provide training and necessary equipment. Plus, many positions come with flexible schedules. Salaries typically range from $30,000 to $45,000 a year. The second role is as an online tutor or ESL teacher. This role is great if you love teaching or helping others learn. Tutoring platforms often prioritize subject knowledge over formal teaching experience. Some companies hire English teachers for international students during evenings and weekends. Pay varies, ranging from $15 to $30 an hour based on the platform. The third role is a virtual assistant. Small businesses need help with scheduling and customer communication. This job suits those with admin or management experience. If you've organized meetings or handled paperwork, you already have the skills needed. The fourth role is a bookkeeper or accounting assistant. This is ideal for individuals with finance or payroll experience. Many small businesses are now hiring remote bookkeepers. Having QuickBooks knowledge can significantly help your job search. Some positions offer salaries between $40,000 and $55,000 per year. Another great option is transcription or captioning work. This job involves converting audio files into text. Transcription relies more on detail orientation and typing speed than advanced tech skills. Several companies hire remote freelancers for transcription work regularly. These jobs offer excellent flexibility. You can often work from home and set your own schedule. Another promising job is writing and editing. Fields like grant writing and blogging are on the rise. Employers value writing quality and experience over age or degree. Many of these remote jobs don't need complex tech skills. Instead, they focus on your experience and communication skills. That's precisely what many employers need right now. For more videos on realistic remote jobs and income ideas, subscribe to Smart Money Moves.